Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everybody, this is a long video, but I thought I'd show it you because it's quite a good video in respect of what you can see underneath the 368D scooter. Basically, in the factory they decided before they released the bike onto the general public that it was going to do an upgrade to a aluminium bracket that holds some of the electronics and ABS on the front there. So this is actually the factory doing that modification before the bike was released for general sale. So it just shows you the actual types of screws, nuts and bolts and everything that they've actually changed through over the years on the actual bike and the way they build the bikes is quite amazing really. So enjoy the video and I will speak to you later. I'll just play some music because it's quite a long video, just so you can get this feel of what it's like build wise, quality wise, etc. etc. Signing off.
I'm empty, nothing inside but my mind. All I own, I don't have a thing that is mine. Days are worse, time is my friend till it ends. Thank you for consciousness that lends. How could I make myself numb? Why so dumb? 20 weeks till I'm dead and no sense to come. And how could I waste my one life? Nothing done, no colors, not even black, no nothing, none. I have 20 weeks to do what I preached. Few weeks till I'm dead was gone and done. Said I had 20 weeks to do what I preached. Few weeks till I'm dead was gone and done. Said don't die now, song still inside. How could I orchestras long after I'm dead? And I'm fine, I'm on grass, watching the stars. So far, that feeling so sad that I can't pick it apart. I have 20 weeks to do what I preached. Few weeks till I'm dead was gone and I said I had 20 weeks to do what I preached. Few weeks till I'm dead was gone and I
Well, there we have it. That's the bracket installed, and all the gubbins back on the bike. We're going to make sure to take the bike to bits now, won't you? That's super. But yes, it just shows you the amount of effort that goes into designing these scooters. They're not just thrown together; they're all made in the house. So lots of patience, lots of patience. Okay, this is me signing off. Bye for now.